Welcome to our Grooming Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular grooming kits, the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 77440 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer. Both kits offer 12-in-1 versatility, but they come with different features, technologies, and price points. Let's explore what makes each of these products unique and help you find the right one for your grooming needs. The Braun Series 77440 features an innovative precision wheel that allows for 40 different length settings, providing unmatched accuracy for detailed grooming. In contrast, the SHPAVVER GK1800 uses standard guide combs, which, while versatile, may not offer the same level of precision for intricate styles. This difference in precision control can significantly impact your grooming experience, especially for those who value detail. The Braun 7440 incorporates AutoSense technology, which automatically adjusts the motor power based on beard thickness, ensuring a consistent and snag-free experience. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER GK1800 boasts a dual-speed motor with a turbo mode, allowing for quick and efficient grooming, especially for dense hair. Each product's unique technology caters to different user preferences and grooming styles. When it comes to value, the Braun Series 77440 is priced at $119, reflecting its premium brand status and advanced features. In contrast, the SHPAVVER GK1800 offers a budget-friendly price of $56, while still providing a comprehensive 12-in-1 grooming solution. This significant price difference highlights the varying priorities of consumers, whether they seek high-end precision or cost-effective versatility. In conclusion, both the Braun Series 77440 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer have their strengths and weaknesses. The Braun offers superior precision and advanced technology, making it ideal for those who prioritize quality and detail. Meanwhile, the SHPAVVER provides excellent value and versatility at a more accessible price point. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your grooming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.